This video, we are to express the relationship in a linear manner. So we'll see how we can write this relationship like a linear model solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Of course, we know that for a linear regression model, the general linear regression models can be written as this. Or you write y is equal to mx plus c. This is linear. So if y is equal to b1 x raised to the power of b2, how do we resolve this to be in a linear manner? The first thing to do, we employ log. We say from logarithm, we say ln y is equal to ln b1 x raised to the power of b2. So we also know that one of the properties of log is log AB to be equal to log A plus log B. Of course, we know this. So employing this here, we have ln y to be equal to ln b1 plus ln x raised to the power of b2. Also, from our logarithm, we also recall that we can say but log a raised to the power of x is the same thing as x log a. So we employ this here to give us ln y to be equal to ln b1 plus b2 ln x. So this is what we get. Now comparing it, we have our y to be equal to ln y. We have our m, which is our slope, to be equal to b2. We have our x prime to be equal to ln x. And we have our c to be equal to ln b1, which is our intercept. Now, we can now rewrite the transformed model. This is the transformed model. We have succeeded in writing it like this, and we should recall this. Y is equal to mx plus c. So we can write our transform model in this pattern to show linearity. So we have to delete this part of the board to do that. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Now, our transform model will be ln y to be equal to b2 ln x plus ln b1. So these are transform model, and we can compare it by writing the equation mx prime plus c. So where m is this, x is this, our intercept is this, the whole of this, and our y, which is the response variable, is this. So this is simply how we can transform any relationship into a linear manner. Now we can now say this can be called our linear regression model. So for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.